Hello, it's Kelly Tomcat, and today I'm going to talk about the film T11 Incomplete. It stars Karen Sillas as Kate, who is a nurse who cares for people in their own home, and she seems like she's got a heart of gold. But one problem is money's very tight, and so she steals early on. You see a really happy patient and who keeps smiling endearingly at her, but she discovers he's got money in a drawer when she's clearing stuff away, and I just felt, oh, don't do it, as she takes some of the notes. I could feel I was getting emotionally invested in the character. So then we meet another of her patients called Laura, and she is a lot younger, and she's paraplegic after a spinal injury in a car crash 4 years earlier. And she explains, we get to find out what the T11 Incomplete is. I mean, that she actually says T11 Incomplete, so I looked it up, and it's used in the Paralympics. The incomplete means that she has got some feeling in her legs, but she can't use her legs. One of the really interesting aspects of the film is that the casting used people from the LGBTQ community and the disabled community. I think that's really, really excellent. And going back to the storyline, after stealing early on, she does it again, and you know that there's going to be trouble ahead, especially since the brother of Laura is not exactly, he's very, he gets quite angry about quite a few things, and he's a bit of a bigot, he's not tolerant. So that, you can see there's going to be a giant smash as the film progresses. So I just thought it was a really excellent film covering a relationship that develops, a sort of illicit relationship between Kate and Laura, and then the repercussions, and there's some heartbreak, and it's just, well, I won't obviously explain how it pans out, but it's a really thought-provoking film about how the power family members have over you when you're disabled, and there's a lot of different angles that I was very interested in. Similar to what I was thinking about in the film The Two of Us, which I reviewed a few weeks ago. This again touches on some similar ground. The nature of caring and the power dynamics, how they change, especially LGBTQ people in those circumstances. So anyway, I think it's really worth watching. Be interested to know what you think if you've seen the film. Thanks for watching this review, and look forward to seeing any comments. Thanks. Bye for now.